I got this fucking guy, I don't know, he switched it up on me, you know? 8, 9 persons that have paid for as victims. What this guy is doing is taking their money and he's not paying any cars.
Does it run?
Nah, the motor's messed up.
No, well, it wasn't reported stolen or anything. It was at a shop.
What's the? Do you think they're gonna tow it, or what do you think is gonna happen?
I don't know. I'm gonna call the guy that I got the car off of right now and be like, hey, man, this person's very stolen.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just gonna see if you got any info about the paperwork or anything, because I got a call from the police saying it was reported stolen.
Yeah, nah, bro, we couldn't get it. So I was gonna tell you if you wanted to get the like, bro, because this guy, I don't know what the hell is going on with that car, you know?
Yeah. Well, yeah, I mean, fuck it, because I mean, I don't know what's going on with calling
Yeah,
me.
no, bro, fucking I got this fucking guy. I don't know, he switched it up on me, you know?
Yeah. Well, what do I tell them? Like, was this a customer that left their car there and never picked it up, or what should I tell them in the meantime?
What?
Like, what do I tell them in the meantime? Because I mean, I gotta, like, was this a customer's car that was left and they never picked it up, or like they owed you money or something? And
you know what, bro? Look, just tell them that you know you were gonna fix some more on it, but you know, just tell them that it's not gonna happen because we got a big old mess with this guy right now, bro. You know?
Yeah. Okay.
And just tell him, hey, you know what? This guy told me we're gonna fix some more on it, and it ended up happening. So just he's gonna go back to his hands, you know.
All right. Well, I'll see what they say, because they're basically saying it's stolen or something, you know.
Who called you though?
Police.
When did they call you?
They called me this morning. So yeah. When's the last time you talked to the guy, or what?
I talked to the guy. I believe it was
There's
like
a cop right there.
15.
Here, I'll give you a call back. Okay, well, he knew the motor was fucked.
They called earlier, but they notified me, and I was just like, oh, that's crazy.
Did they make arrangement with you or anything like that, or?
Nah, they just called me and said what was going on, and then they said that they're gonna dispatch an officer to come check and verify if it was legit.
Let me text them first.
Yeah, for sure. If you need, I think it should be open. Well, he knew the motor was fucked. Right?
Yeah. It doesn't even make sense.
Yeah, he already.
Pay for the car.
How much?
Well, basically 45 or 3,500. Yeah.
3,500.
Yeah.
Does it run?
Nah,
No,
the motor's messed up.
The reason why, well, you have to put it back together somewhat.
Yeah.
Is it stolen or is it not stolen?
No.
Because
Evidently, it's the.
kind of scary right now.
Yeah. No. You're not.
Yeah.
You're not in trouble with me anyway. With this, it's the. From what I was told, that there was a gentleman that brought this car into a shop, and then the mechanic is supposed to be paint it and do some work on it, and well, the car owner never got a hold of the mechanic shop. Yeah, but somehow, you know,
we got caught up in it. Yep.
Yeah,
for sure.
Yeah. Where'd you buy it off at? I mean, like, personal?
Well, we got it directly from the shop.
Oh,
I had
the shop.
got it from the shop. I don't really know the history of it. It was just parked there. I had seen it months before I bought it.
Yeah.
And then I bought it, and then I sold it to my buddy.
Yeah.
And he was gonna fix it, and then today we got the phone call. So
yeah, it's all bad.
So
how do you know the shop? You just
one of my friends knows him. I don't know him. I just was.
Did you receipt anything like that?
Well, I just got text messages and stuff.
Okay, well, make sure you save that.
And then I called him right now too. So
what do you say?
He just said that the guy was they were supposed to fix the motor on it, and nothing ever happened. So I don't know if he left it, if the owner of the car, or previous owner or whatever, just left it and abandoned it, and then this guy just sold it. I don't know.
Yeah.
So
well, in order for him to do that, he's got to get a lien sale and all that stuff. He can't just tell the car doesn't belong to him.
Right.
Yeah. So I don't know. So what's the next step now, or what?
Right, yeah. Let me call. It's not stolen, obviously. and it's basically, it's like I explained to you guys, it's somewhat a civil matter.
Right.
And again, it's something that you guys have to go back, deal with the seller.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, if the registered owner, the owner of the car, said, "Hey, that's my car," he's got rights to it.
Right.
Again, that's something that all that PD would deal with. What's your birthday?
10/17/90.
The shoe comes out. 2021.
If he doesn't call me back here shortly,
I just flipped the switch.
Said
See what the department?
Hey, how's it going?
It's going, man. It's a pretty busy day, but man, this is a big mess up. You guys are all in.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty
It's
bad.
a nightmare. Even for me, I'm the one who's doing all the typing.
Yeah.
But this Felix guy, man, I got like 8-9 persons that have paid forward as victims. What this guy is doing is taking their money and he's not paying any cars, and the vehicles are disappearing.
Oh shit. Okay.
There could be a victim in this case as well.
All right, guys. So we just finished up talking with the officer. It seems like that the guy that Abraham purchased the car off of was pretty much scamming everyone. So he would get clients' cars and then not do the work and then just probably make money from himself, pretty much. I don't know what's gonna happen right now, but we're just gonna see what happens and go from there, and I'll keep you guys updated. But this is a old big ass mess right here with the car situation. We'll just let you guys know what happens in the next clip. But all right, so the guy's right there. Hey guys, so I'm gonna pause you right there. So which was not cool was one of the departments had leaked the address to where the vehicle was, and this could have caused so much conflict. But the good thing was that the guy was actually really cool. We tried to explain to him what was going on. It was kind of a messed up situation for all the parties, but he actually ended up showing up, and him and Abraham are talking about the situation in the car, and I'll tell you guys what happens after that. Guys, so I just want to wrap up the video by saying a few things because you guys still might be a little confused. So now to give a little bit of background information, Abraham had gotten the car a few months ago from a shop. Like, I want to say it was back in, it's been about, I think he actually got it back in September, so it's been about 2-3 months now. And pretty much the car had been sitting forever at that shop. So we figured it was abandoned. The shop actually wanted to sell it, so Abraham ended up purchasing the vehicle. It was actually partially registered. All it needed was a smog for us to get the pink slip. And we figured out that the motor was messed up, so I decided to, hey, let's put it up for sale and see if anyone wants to buy it as is. They can tackle on the project. Just not something I wanted to do for myself right now. So when that happens, I've been getting buyers just messaging me left and right, and some guy was like, well, can I call you? I'm really interested in the vehicle. And typically when they want to call you, it's a little bit better than, hi, is this still available on Facebook, So I get the call, we talk. He asked what's wrong with it. I told him the motor's messed up. And then after that, I want to say less than 30 seconds later, I get a call from a PD, which is in a different city, not too far away from me, and they tell me this is the department, and they had said that the car was supposedly stolen property. And this was such a big shock. I didn't even know if this was real to begin with, because people, it's crazy what people do nowadays, but I guess it was legit. So we get the call, everything happens, and then I'm calling Abraham, let's go over, let's figure this out. So we get to the house. The cop is pretty much just saying that they want to try to get the car back to its rightful owner, but also Abraham is partially technically registered under the vehicle's name. So if any of you lawyer people know anything about that, let us know if it's legally their car or whose car is it really. I know it sucks because it would assume that the guy didn't even know that the shop sold the car, so it's kind of not his fault. I get it. It was a shitty situation for not just him, but for everyone, because it trickled down the whole line. But like I said, other than that, that's kind of what happened. And it was just such a big shock that the cop had called. I was in shock. I was like, I don't know what's going on. I didn't know what to think. After that, our local PD was talking with us, telling us what we could do. And I'm gonna leave it at that for now, just to give you guys some basic information as to what happened. And if we do a next video, I'll tell you guys what happened with the vehicle. Let's just say that it kind of worked out, kind of didn't work out, so please stay tuned for the next video. We'll drop some information not only on that, but also the Terminator Cobra, because you guys, I've been a little MIA. Just thought that this would be a good video for you guys to watch, and I'll catch you guys up to speed with a lot of things that have been happening. I know I haven't filmed, but hopefully you guys didn't forget about me. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribing. And with that being said, guys, just be patient with me, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.